Hi, I'm Shrija. And I'm Neil. Welcome to Shrija and Neil Daily English.
Let's learn English with easy stories.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video.
Thank you.
We're here.
It smells wonderful already.
This was always your favorite place, Baba.
It still is.
I love this table.
Me too.
Sit close to grandfather, Shrija. Come, sit beside me, both of you.
Can I order today? In English?
Of course. Go ahead, Neil.
Take your time, dear.
Okay, I will try.
Let's see what you can do, young man.
He is ready, I can tell.
Good. I am listening.
There are so many choices.
Read slowly. There is no hurry.
Okay, mother, I see the special dish here.
Good. Ask about it.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready.
Go ahead, Neil.
We are listening too.
Good evening. What is today's special?
Today's special is grilled vegetables with rice.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Grandfather, do you want the special?
Yes, please. That sounds good.
He loves grilled vegetables.
Yes, very much.
I would like some soup, dear. One soup, please. Thank you, Neil.
You're welcome, grandmother.
And 2 more meals, Neil.
2 more meals. This one, please?
That one looks good.
Yes, I think so too. Water for me, please.
4 glasses of water, please.
Thank you, Neil.
No problem, Shrija. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. It's his birthday today.
Oh, really?
I will remember that.
Neil.
You didn't have to. You did very well, Neil.
Thank you, grandfather.
We are proud of you.
Me too, big brother.
Happy birthday, sir.
Oh, how lovely.
Make a wish, Baba. All right, let me think.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Neil. Today was very special.
I'm happy I could help.
This was a beautiful evening.
The best